So buenos dias. We're biking around Granada on the shores of Lago de Nicaragua. You can see behind me, I think. And we'll just speed up a little bit and see if we can catch up with Mary Beth. You having fun riding your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Are you taking video?
Maybe.
Oh, that's nice. So is that the volcano there?
Yeah, that is the volcano Mochambo or Mobacho. Still haven't figured out the name. That looms over the skyline of Granada.
We should hike it.
It is possible to hike it. Might do that pretty soon.
Are you filming?
I'm trying to.